Now it's recording.
Oh my gosh, that's me.
That's you.
Let me get another look. Oh my God. I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah.
I can see why you guys have fun doing that.
Oh yeah, we have fun a lot.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Oh,
God.
and on his farm he had a
Farm.
on his farm he had a farm.
On his farm he had, what did he have?
You
A
tell me.
chicken?
Okay, let's do chickens. With
Chicken.
bok here and a bok there.
Buck, 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 buck.
Everywhere a bok.
And a buck, buck here.
Everywhere a bok. On his farm he had a what?
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck.
E-I-E-I-O with a quack quack here.
And a quack, quack there.
Here a quack.
There, quack.
Everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm he had a
Duck. No,
we had a duck.
chicken.
Chicken. You want to do all the birds?
Yeah. Chicken.
Yeah. With a cluck cluck here.
And a quack, quack there.
Here a buck.
There, buck.
Everywhere a buck buck. Is it buck buck or cluck cluck?
That's an old chicken.
Oh yeah.
That's a new chicken.
Isn't that a rooster? Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm he had a...
Rooster?
No, we did a rooster.
Huh?
Let's do dogs.
2 dogs?
Yeah. E-I-E-I-O with a... Ruff, ruff.
What, what? No,
Here.
that's a chicken.
No, I said a dog. Here and a... Everywhere a... E-I-E-I-O.
Meow, meow, meow.
What's that?
That's a horse.
Oh, I thought they went, nay!
No.
How do they do? Was I close? What other animal noises do you know? I know, baa!
What's that?
That's a sheep.
Oh.
Baa!
That's another chicken.
How about, I know a pig. You want to hear a pig?
Yeah. Oh. That's a big pig.
Okay, what else do you know? What is that, a bear?
I don't know what that is.
I could do a bear. No, I don't know if it's a bear or a lion. Is that even an animal?
Meow, 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 meow.
I can't even do that. See, this is my home girl.
Yeah,
She's my homie.
I'm her homie.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do faces.
You bet your bootsies.
Come on, Grandma, do a face with me.
What kind of face?
Any face you want.
That looks more like Jillian.
Okay, let's do another face.
What was that?
That's a face I made.
Doctor Who?
No, I don't know. That's just the face I made. Do a face.
Oh, I made that face already. I'm gonna put.
Do this face, Grandma.
I'm gonna take my glasses off
Okay.
and put my other glasses on. Ah, I'm gorgeous.
Oh, you're gorgeous, baby. Just gorgeous. So,
I'm an alcoholic.
for the viewers, it's a can of Pepsi.
Oh gosh,
Oh, man.
I'm exhausted.
She's my favorite.
Yeah, I got a good chick over here.
Don't tell anyone. It's our secret.
Kisses for everybody.
Okay, you want to watch it?
Yeah.